Hello there. I am Tugustu Zariun. This is my channel. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel. Here the next lesson is coaxial cable. Here the topic under the guided media or wire-based media. When we establish a network for connecting devices, we may use twisted pair cables or coaxial cable or fiber optic cables. What type of device are needed to connect? In the case of coaxial cable, you will see here. The coaxial cable or coax carries signal of higher frequency ranges than those in twisted pair cable, in part because the two media are constructed quite differently. Instead of having two wires, in case of this coaxial cable, coax has a central core. Central core, here the wire, central core. Conductor or solid or stated wire, usually copper, enclosed in an insulating sheath, which is inter. Those are the twisted, and the coaxial cable is made of metallic wires, copper wires, and the signal is in the form of electric. In the case of fiber optic is in the form of light. In this coaxial cable, there is no twisted or pair cables, rather it is a single core wire, a solid or structured wire. Usually it is made of copper, enclosed in an insulating sheath, which is in turn encased in outer conducting of metal foil. Combination of the two. The outer metallic wrapping gives signal against noise and second. What the outer jacket? What the purpose or need of this outer jacket? It protects crosstalk and noises that it is absent in the case of this coaxial cable. Therefore, it is used in the case of network cables for long distance, and in the case of cable television, we use coaxial cable. This outer conductor is also enclosed in an insulating sheath, and the whole cable is protected by plastic cover. The whole core is protected by plastic cover. The figure shows us the coaxial cable. Coaxial cables are available in a variety of thicknesses. One is a thick coaxial cable and the other is thin coaxial cable. The thick coaxial cable is 10 mm and the thin coaxial cable is 4 mm. Thick and thin coaxial cables here. The thin coaxial cable is approximately 4 mm, less than 1/2 inch in diameter compared to the thick coaxial cable. In case of thick coaxial cable, better noise immunity and generally used for transmitting analog data such as single or multiple video channels. Mostly to carry video-based messages, we use coaxial cables. Again, in carrying for long distance, in case of multiple video channels, we prefer thick coaxial cables rather than using thin coaxial cables. How these coaxial cables are connected? In case of twisted pair cables, there is an RJ45 for network computers connected, and in case of telephone line is we use the RJ11. And when we come to coaxial cable, there are connectors. Bayonet nail concealment. We say it BNC in short. Bayonet nail concealment. To connect coaxial cable to devices, we need coaxial connectors. We need coaxial cables. I mean, in case of transmitting cable TVs, we need coaxial cable, and to connect these cables, we must have a connector. What the connector? Bayonet nail concealment. But these have, based on the device type, we have also types for these coaxial cable connectors. The bayonet concealment connector, the bayonet concealment T connector, and the bayonet nail concealment terminator are the types of BNC connector or bayonet nail concealment connectors. Here, the cable is connected with BNC connector, or it can be connected with BNCT, or it can be connected with BNC terminator based on the device type. For today is enough. Thank you. Try to support and motivate me by subscribing my channel.